In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a note in Evernote quickly and easily, whether you want to send it to one person by email or create a shareable link for anyone to access. This is a really useful feature if you're collaborating on projects, sharing meeting notes, sending research, or just making sure the right people can view or edit your content. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Evernote guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Evernote app and go to the note you want to share. You can do this from your notes list or by searching for the note directly if you have a lot of content saved. Once the note is open, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see a blue share button there. In some versions of Evernote, you may need to click the three dots or more actions menu first, then choose share from the drop-down. Once you click share, Evernote will open the sharing options for that note. At this point, you have two main ways to share it. The first option is sharing by link. This is best if you want to send the note through chat, text, email, or any other platform. To do that, enable the shareable link option. After that, you can choose whether people with the link should be able to view the note or edit the note. If you only want others to read the information, choose View Access. If you're working together and want them to make changes, choose Edit Access. After setting the permissions, copy the link and paste it wherever you want to share it. This makes it very fast to send the same note to multiple people without adding each contact manually. Just make sure the access level is correct before you copy the link, especially if the note contains sensitive or private information. The second option is sharing by email. If you want to invite a specific person, type their name or email address into the invite field. Evernote will let you choose their permission level as well. You may see options like Can View, Can Edit, or Can Edit an Invite. Can View is the safest choice if the person only needs to read the note. Can Edit is useful when you want someone to help update the content. Can Edit an Invite gives them even more control, so use that only when necessary. After selecting the right permission, click Send Invite. Evernote will deliver the invitation, and the person can open the note directly from their email. This is a great choice for team collaboration because it keeps everything organized inside Evernote instead of sending files back and forth. A quick tip before you finish. Always double-check the permission settings before you share. If the note includes personal information, business plans, or anything confidential, it's better to limit access to only the people who truly need it. You can also come back later and change or remove access if needed. And that's it. You now know how to share a note in Evernote using either a shareable link or an email invite. It only takes a few clicks once you know where the share button is, and it can save you a lot of time when working with other people. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Evernote tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.